morning started good, but then the clouds started rolling in and it started pouring rain. I got a scooter, so the plan was to go explore the island, but if it's gonna be raining all day, I don't know. Also, this place isn't as great as I thought it would be, so I found another place. So I'm gonna check out of here and check in there. This other place is 10 minutes away and it's even cheaper than this place. So there's that. Okay, so it looks like the rain has cleared up, but the weather still doesn't look great. So I think I'm gonna pack up and you surf. There's waves, bro. I can surf this. Man, the storm brought in waves. Look at this. Look at this, typical South Africa. That's better. I'm gonna walk around on the beach now. I'm gonna see if I can find a place that rents out surfboards. I left my surfboard in Bangkok to make it easier for me to travel, but now I'm kind of regretting it because there's surf. I didn't expect there to be surf in Copenhagen, so So nowhere on this beach they rent out surfboards, which is kind of okay because the surf is onshore. So maybe I'll just check out and drive around with the scooter. If I find a surfboard, I may go out to surf. The great thing about Thailand is when it's rainy like this, it's still warm. Like back in Cape Town, when the weather is like this, it's cold and really miserable. But now I still feel like I can go out and do stuff. It's 20 to 12 now. I'm supposed to check out at 12. I'm gonna do a quick once over to make sure I didn't forget anything. This room isn't that bad, but it's kind of more for someone who actually wants to go to the full moon party and then have a place to pass out nearby. Because the beach that I was walking on earlier, that's where they hold the full moon party. Okay, so the place that I'm going to now, I was actually looking to book at this place because it was cheaper, but I just missed it. I was about to book. I was looking for my credit card, and then when I found it, I refreshed the page and it was sold out. So that's why I went with this place. But that was only for one night, so tonight they have a place available again. So that's why I'm changing rooms. Okay, I've successfully checked into the new place early. Now for a quick room tour. Bed, double bed, first mirror with a light. Plug close to this is where it should be. Window, another window, aircon, fan. Now for the bathroom. Sink, toilet, shower, another mirror. Something that I've noticed, they don't provide soap and shampoo, which is okay because what I normally do when I check out, I take the soap and shampoo with me before I check out. This place seems clean and it's also close to the beach, which is nice, but it's a lot more spacious. You see, there's a lot of space in here. Even that, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all that space, but it's there. Anyway, I'm gonna go out now and explore the island with the scooter.
Where does peace go? Where does peace?
What's up, please? How do I open this thing? I just witnessed a terrible accident and then I witnessed a near miss. If you're driving a scooter on an island, please be safe, bro. There's no reason to rush. You're on an island. I'm now going to check out Zen Beach. So I realized at some point I set my camera to slow motion again and forgot to take it off. So I left Zen Beach and I got to a beach called Secret Beach, and I don't know why it's a secret because it's on Google Maps. It was so beautiful, but I forgot to bring my swimming pants. So I went in my underwear. And then all of a sudden it started raining. I quickly took off this camera, which was in time-lapse mode. I hid my bag underneath a rock so it wouldn't get wet. It started raining. Luckily I'm in my underwear because I went for a swim. Found a nice dry place for my bag, but look at this monster. I didn't want to put on my dry clothes because I was wet, so I sat on a rock and waited for the rain to stop. Eventually it sort of stopped but didn't completely stop, so I just put on my clothes and luckily I had this in my backpack. So you see, so I put it over my bag like this, so all my camera gear could stay dry. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm back in my room, so hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.